Now you're just being a fucking dick.
I saw it. Testing the tandems. And the one person over there is waiting. Oh my gosh. You know guys, when you're inside going like that, you're gonna have to freak out. I always freak out when you do like that. Wala kang mabangga.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to her channel, Travel with Marj.
Long Beach, California. I'm thinking about it.
I have to fill in the blank.
We are here in Long Beach, California, and this is our day started. You're just getting a hard time to get into that door. I'm talking to you. Are you getting a hard time to get into that door?
Yeah, it's not a lot of space in front.
Because every time we go in this place, it's always tight, and it's a challenge for them to get into that door. Kasi busy yung street dito. Anyways, meron kami ng
It gets so bad here that some people just drop their trailers right there instead of trying to back it in themselves. It's really hard. So they'll drop their trailer right there and let the yard dog do it. I don't do that. I'll take up the challenge.
Yeah,
and man up.
It's always his challenge every time to get into this place right here, but he can do it.
And they all got the small trailers.
Small trailers, and this one is like 18-wheelers, as you can see in front. There's a lot of trailers.
This is a 53-foot trailer. And these guys drop off a 48.
So we're preparing our breakfast, and after this we're heading to our second stop in Los Angeles. So hopefully hindi siya mahirap, it's not tight for him, and it's chilly over here in California. It's just morning chilly.
It's not chilly. I got the AC on because I'm trying to cool down this oatmeal.
He got his oatmeal and he turned his AC to cool down his oatmeal.
8 degrees outside.
68 though guys, it's chilly for me, but it's just morning lang naman. Later on in the day, the temperature will get better. Guys, we're heading to our second stop around in Los Angeles because we still have a second stop, and then we're gonna pick up again after this load. It's 11 o'clock right now, and like we said, it's always normal traffic here in California. Make it towards here.
Now you're just being a fucking dick.
I saw it. Oh my gosh. Just wait him.
Yeah.
Stop right there.
You'll remember this place.
Yeah, I remember the place. Also the tight one?
I don't know about being tight.
Yes, a little bit tight.
Traffic is tighter. All I gotta do is pull up the railroad tracks and stick myself up the back of the door. Pretty easy.
Turn that car.
No, it's too tight for me until he moves or that traffic gets out of my way.
But you can't really see it though.
Well,
You're gonna have to wait with that trucker on. You're gonna make a wide turn.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to make the wide turn.
And there's a truck there, so it's gonna challenge it.
That truck is clear.
We'll see.
Got it.
Oops.
That trailer's not full right there.
Oh, easy, you're tight here.
There's a back there too.
A little bit tight right there.
Yeah, back there at the entrance, this is easy.
In the entrance, and he said this is easy right here. But I'll see here.
We're gonna wait until Mr.
I guess. So we're not really sure if they're gonna unload us right now because it's already lunchtime and they might end their lunch today. Wait, what time is it? Yeah, it's 11:25 noontime. Here around in LA area, there's a lot of traffic lights and consider the very tight small turns. So it's kind of hard with the 18-wheelers. It's kind of challenging for the 18-wheelers to make a turn. So make sure that you're gonna make a wide turns and make sure that there's a space both sides. As I experienced, because I've been with my husband over the road for 4 years now, so you're gonna have to be careful. So he's going to that door right there because the previous one is just done and we're taking his place. Adjusting the tandems. And the one person over there is waiting. Oh my gosh. You know guys, when you're inside going like that, you're gonna have to freak out. I always freak out when you do like that. Mura kang mabangga. Get in there, baby! Not bad. It's not really bad in this door. So it's just easy. It's just easy to get into that door. Unlike the first one, it's really tight. So I'm gonna get inside now. The first one is a very challenge. The first stop.
That's where you can tell it's a challenge when I start bitching a lot.
When you start bitching like,
Oh yeah, I get really riled up.
minsan nahulog yung noodles namin sa likod. Oh, it's really hot. It's 99, 100 degrees outside, but it's nice.
So you touch something that's really hot.
It's a Pinas weather be like. It's 99 degrees right now. We're getting ready here. Sa aming next load. Saan papunta? I just heard San Diego. San Diego and Fontana, California. It's been a while we've been in San Diego. Like a couple months ago. It's busy. Salad is my lunch. It's like ready to go. Easy to make and easy to eat. Done here finally with this load. We delivered good and safe, and then we're heading to our next pickup all the way to, where was that? Fontana? So all the way to Fontana, 2 pickups, and then San Diego.
Well, if this keeps up, I'm gonna be just as good at LA as I used to be with Chicago. Checking a roll call.
So it's roll call.
Yeah.
So this is our first stop, not first stop, but first pickup for this load. Guys, I'm gonna end my vlog right here, and after we get unloaded here, we go that way back on that route to LA, and then the last pickup will be in San Diego. So see you guys tomorrow there in San Diego, and give me a thumbs up. You can share this video, and don't forget to subscribe down there, Travel with Marj. Ring the bell too so you can notify for more upcoming videos and everything. So see you tomorrow. Bye.